Now Omicron is getting weaker comparing to Delta, so Macau government assigns us the package. We have the KN95 mask. Assign us Macau government. Assign us this package, and then we got the pain killer, this pain or fever usage Western medicine, and we got this antigen self-test kit. We got this, and we got instructions to let you know how to use it, to teach you how to use it, which is very good, and we don't need to go to PCR outside to test the nucleic acid. We got a 5 test kit, and we also got the 2 packs of the this Chinese medicine. 莲花清瘟胶囊 is Chinese medicine to reduce your flu symptoms or something. So it also can apply for the flu, not only for the COVID-19. It's very efficient and good for reducing your symptoms. And okay, this pack is the this nice anti-COVID pack we got. And now Omicron, we can see Omicron now. December, our country announced that the Omicron is weaker than the seasonal flu, comparing to the original and the Delta one. Now is weaker than the seasonal flu and stronger a little bit than the flu or cold. So 90% no symptoms or very mild symptoms, and 60% with great symptoms. If Delta and original, 60% people have that. 60% we have serious problems. And now 90% no symptoms or no problems. And Omicron, without vaccine, 2% death rate, 60 age, and 75% and 80, 15% of death rate. But after vaccine, just 0.5 or 0.24 or 1.8% for 80 years old. So you can see after vaccine it will be much better, and then for the inactivated and mRNA are similar for the efficiency. So China now open is correct because Omicron is weak now, and before 3 years ago was very serious, the Delta. So they use the strict rules to control the COVID. It's good.